Hi guys, we're at Lowe's right now because it's gonna be springtime. We're buying a lot of flowers. And for now, the kids are playing in a tractor, lawnmower. Okay. Boys will always be boys. Yeah. I like your John Deere. That hustler looks really good. Ripped off? Oh no. What just happened? Aiden gonna show you something, buddy. Check the other one. Hurry. Check him out. While we're here, we're gonna be done soon. You're cutting the grass. You are one silly child. Go cut the grass. I have no idea what we have. Arri wants to see the engine. What does the engine look like? Who made the engine, Arri? Kohler. And this one, Big Sense Stratum. That's interesting. Craftsmen have a Kohler. We've always had the Husqvarna and we're not happy about it. We've always had the Husqvarna, but we're never happy about it. Because they keep falling apart. Like that. Daddy, you really don't. Daddy's so funny. Okay guys, let's get going. Bye for now.